Garmin, a brand synonymous with precision, durability, and adventure, is now preparing to take a bold step into the next generation of smartwatch interaction. Imagine a Garmin watch that not only withstands the harshest environments, but also gives you a seamless, intuitive way to navigate menus, zoom maps, and control features, all through a rotating crown that doesn't rely on mechanical parts. Yes, Garmin might finally be introducing a proper rotating crown to its smartwatches, powered by magnetic sensing technology instead of traditional encoders. This innovation could redefine how users interact with Garmin devices, maintaining the brand's rugged identity while embracing modern design convenience. Today, we'll dive deep into what this means for Garmin's future, how it works, and why this could mark one of the biggest hardware evolutions in the company's smartwatch history. Garmin, the legendary brand that has dominated the world of fitness, outdoor, and adventure wearables, seems ready to take a massive leap forward with a feature that could completely transform how users interact with smartwatches. A proper rotating crown, and not just any crown, but one that uses advanced magnetic sensing technology for unparalleled precision, durability, and user experience. For years, Garmin has been celebrated for its rugged 5-button design, built for extreme athletes, mountaineers, and explorers who rely on their watches in rain, mud, and freezing conditions. But as smartwatch interfaces continue to evolve, even Garmin appears ready to blend toughness with intuitive modern control. According to recent reports, Garmin is working on a rotating crown system that maintains its signature seal design while eliminating mechanical moving parts entirely. Instead of using traditional encoders, the company is adopting the Hall effect sensor, a system that detects the motion of magnets to track rotation without any physical connection between the crown and internal electronics. This means no moisture seepage, no dust interference, and zero mechanical wear, a perfect solution for those who put their devices through real-world challenges like sweat, rain, altitude, and pressure. The concept image based on early design cues reveals something strikingly new, a crown position on the right side of the watch and 2 flat buttons on the left, breaking away from Garmin's classic 5-button symmetry. This layout immediately signals a shift in Garmin's design language, one that's inspired by modern smartwatch ergonomics, but engineered for rugged performance. If this design reaches production, it could debut in premium series like the Garmin Venu or Vivo Active, where sleek aesthetics meet smart innovation. Imagine scrolling through menus, zooming into detailed topographic maps, or navigating complex settings with just a smooth twist of the crown, even while wearing gloves or mid-run, without ever needing to touch the screen. This level of tactile precision could revolutionize how Garmin users interact with their devices, particularly during workouts, hikes, or underwater dives where touchscreen responsiveness is often unreliable. And what makes this so significant is that Garmin's approach to a rotating crown isn't about following trends set by Apple or Google. It's about reimagining control while keeping the integrity of its rugged design intact. Apple's digital crown has been praised for its intuitive use, and brands like Sunto, Zepp Health, and Google have all embraced similar control systems. But Garmin's magnetic crown could take the idea further by removing mechanical vulnerability altogether. The Hall effect sensor system means that even under the harshest environmental pressures, the watch maintains water resistance, dust protection, and consistent functionality, making it ideal for athletes, divers, and adventurers alike. The crown separation from the internal electronics using a protective sidewall adds another layer of durability, a technique borrowed from professional-grade dive watches, but here applied to digital technology. Essentially, it's Garmin's way of saying that toughness doesn't have to come at the cost of innovation. If you ever use a Garmin Fenix, Instinct, or Forerunner, you know that while their physical buttons offer reliability, navigating long menus or scrolling through data can sometimes feel tedious compared to crown-based or touch interfaces. That's where this innovation could shine, offering users faster, smoother navigation while maintaining the reliability of physical input. The beauty of magnetic sensing is its precision without friction, meaning it can detect minute rotational movements, allowing Garmin to fine-tune the sensitivity for different use cases, from zooming into a map to scrolling through widgets or adjusting workout metrics. And while the Hall effect sensor might sound futuristic, it's a proven technology used in aerospace and automotive industries, where reliability under stress is non-negotiable. This could also signal Garmin's gradual shift toward blending traditional control with modern smart interaction, something that's been long awaited by fans who desire both rugged dependability and intuitive input methods. It's no surprise that the company is experimenting with such designs now, especially as smartwatch competition intensifies in 2025. With Apple refining its Watch Ultra series, Google's Pixel Watch gaining momentum, and brands like Amazfit and Suunto offering unique sensor-based controls, Garmin knows it's time to evolve beyond pure endurance into ergonomic excellence. The leaked concept hints that Garmin might launch this feature in a higher-end model first, possibly the next Venu, Vivo Active, or even a Phoenix Special Edition, where design experimentation aligns with premium build quality. If successful, the rotating crown could trickle down into more models over time, reshaping the way Garmin users interact across the lineup. What's even more exciting is how this crown could enhance mapping and navigation, a key Garmin strength. Imagine exploring detailed topographic maps and being able to zoom or pan effortlessly using the crown, all while keeping your gloves on or your hands wet from a hike or dive. It's a simple change with massive implications for real-world usability. Furthermore, replacing touch input during workouts could make the interface far more reliable, as anyone who's tried swiping on a sweaty or rain-covered screen knows how frustrating that can be. This innovation could truly set Garmin apart once again, bridging the gap between durability and user-friendliness. The company's decision to use magnetic sensing instead of mechanical movement also aligns with its reputation for longevity. Fewer moving parts mean fewer failures, lower maintenance, and a longer lifespan, making it ideal for users who demand equipment that performs flawlessly year after year. Beyond functionality, this design also introduces new aesthetic possibilities. The rotating crown gives the watch a more premium, analog-inspired look, appealing to both adventure enthusiasts and style-conscious consumers. With other brands, this hybrid approach will combine the best of both worlds, rugged reliability with modern control. Ultimately, the rumored rotating crown shows that Garmin isn't standing still in a rapidly evolving smartwatch landscape. The company's focus remains clear, enhancing user experience without compromising toughness. Whether it debuts in 2025 or later, one thing's certain: this innovation will make a lot of longtime Garmin fans very excited. It also reflects Garmin's ongoing push to stay competitive in the premium wearable segment, even as VR, AR, and AI integration continue to redefine what smart means in smartwatches. So, could this be Garmin's most meaningful hardware evolution in years? Absolutely. A magnetic rotating crown combines everything that makes Garmin watches great: precision, durability, and innovation, while fixing one of the only complaints users have had about their interface: clunky navigation. It's functional, futuristic, and very much in line with Garmin's DNA. As we await official confirmation, the anticipation continues to grow, and if this technology proves successful, we might soon see a completely new way to experience Garmin's world-class ecosystem of fitness, mapping, and adventure tools. The future of rugged smartwatch design may no longer rely on buttons alone. It might just spin into motion. And that's all for today's deep dive into Garmin's exciting new rotating crown innovation. If you enjoyed learning about this next-gen design and want more updates on wearable tech breakthroughs, don't forget to like this video, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and subscribe to TechVerse, where we bring you the future of technology one innovation at a time. If Garmin successfully implements this rotating crown with magnetic sensing, it could completely redefine user interaction across its smartwatch lineup. For outdoor enthusiasts and athletes who need durability, this is a perfect evolution, combining the tactile satisfaction of a crown with the reliability of sealed construction. But if you're waiting for even more advanced gesture or AI integration, you might want to see how the first model performs before upgrading. Either way, this is a clear sign that Garmin isn't just keeping up, it's innovating for the future.